Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Silver is sitting around $18.80 an ounce. Gold hit a 7-year record-breaking high. Things are very, very bullish in the green right now for gold and silver. But what does this mean? What does this mean? How are you going to strategize, compare this? How high are they going to go, and why is this happening? These are all the things we're going to cover in this video today. So before we start, make sure to smash that like button. Let's see if this video can get 150 likes. I know it can. I know it can. You guys are killing it with the likes lately. Every single one of you, please make sure to smash that like button. Show your support, especially since gold and silver are rallying right now. Anyways, make sure you subscribe if you're new because I do post daily videos, and I'm doing a giveaway. Another giveaway. I just did a video yesterday mentioning how to enter that giveaway, and I just did a giveaway the other day as well. I'm doing 3 giveaways. That's why you need to like these videos, because supporting this channel automatically enters you to be able to, subscribing, you get first-hand news how to enter these giveaways and for a chance to win some free silver. And who doesn't want free silver, I definitely would. So anyways, before we start, just wanted to say that, but let's jump into it. So $18.80 an ounce. That's crazy. Are we going to see $19 silver soon? $20 silver soon? We have resistance levels at $19. So if it breaks past that $19 resistance level, the sky is the limit. And who knows where prices can really go? I mean, the only comparison we have is the July 2016 high of $21 an ounce. But if it passes that, we could see $50 silver again easily. I mean, it happened in 2011, not even 10 years ago. Silver was $50. I mean, in the 80s it was $50. So we're talking about several dollars higher than it is right now. So what are you going to do? What does this mean? And a lot of analysts, chart experts, are saying that it has more room to run, that prices are going to go even higher before a correction happens. See, that's the thing, is a lot of times corrections will happen when prices get this high. I made a video about it yesterday, and it's just opportunity to buy one last time, but get your silver one last time as it's cheap. But the thing is right now, silver is in a very, very bullish position. So it's looking like a correction isn't actually going to be happening. It has more room to run, especially looking at what gold's doing, setting a record, 7-year record-breaking high. And gold is silver's big brother, so when gold does that stuff, rallying that much, expect silver to do so as well. And that means that silver has a lot more room to run as well. Now, what does this mean? This means that precious metals are the safe haven investment, the safe haven alternative as the COVID-19 or the coronavirus is taking over, causing a lot of geopolitical fear, causing people to be in a very panic-like state. Now, while all this is happening, precious metal stackers are sitting pretty. We're going to get the last laugh. Silver stackers are going to get the last laugh because we were the ones telling people, I told you so, you should have invested in this gold and silver, I told you so, I told you so. Everyone's like, no, this is a bear market, there's no money in it, I'd rather invest in the stock market to get some real gains, some real returns. But now look what's happening. Stock markets are plummeting, down like 700 points on the day, and gold and silver are the ones that are setting record-breaking highs. Now, comparing silver to gold, this is the interesting part, because the gold to silver ratio is still way too high. It's extremely exaggerated. And that means that silver has some catching up to do. This means that silver has to catch up to gold, meaning the ratio lowers, meaning that silver rises even more, that silver is going to outperform gold. A lot of people, new investors into the world of precious metals, like gold because it's the royal metal, it's the metal of the kings, But what if I told you that silver is a better investment? What if I told you that silver has much more opportunity to make a lot more money than gold does? See, that's where people kind of scratch their head and say, what? You would think that gold being the more expensive metal makes you more money, but that's not how these markets work. That's not that's not what history has shown. That's not what the future shows either. It's not what it's showing even right now. Silver is more volatile than gold. It hits higher highs and lower lows. So when we're talking about $18.80 silver, an ounce silver, If the ratio goes back down to 16 to 1 and gold is at this price, that's around $100 silver we're talking about. And that ratio 16 to 1 is not too crazy to think about because it comes out of the ground 8 to 1. So that's doubling even what it comes out of the ground, and it still puts silver at $100. So that really begs the question on how high can these prices really go? If you really want to talk about it, I mean, how high can they really go? I mean, if we're talking about $2,000 gold, then we have to at least be talking about $100 silver or $50 silver. You know, I meant to say $50. If we're talking about $3,000 gold, then we're talking about $100 silver. $2,000 gold, $50 silver. It looks like gold is climbing to that $2,000 mark extremely fast. Platinum and palladium are falling as investors take their money out of platinum and palladium and put it into gold and silver, trying to make those profits with us, the ones that have been doing it all along. I swear it's like we know something that everyone missed out on or something. Silver stackers, we get it. You know, we get it. We definitely get it. And most people don't, and they can't see the bigger picture. But, you know, people that are watching these videos, you guys and gals that are watching these videos, you guys know what's up. We know what's up. Every time stuff like this happens, geopolitical fear, economic insecurity, panic in the economy, everyone always turns to the silver stackers and the precious metals investors and say, man, you guys are smart. And it's because we are. Because we see the bigger picture, because we're standing our ground and saying, you know what, this has way too much potential, way too much opportunity to invest, to make profits, to just let it go and to just invest into stocks and call it quits and invest into something that's pegged to the dollar, which is crashing. It doesn't make sense. We know what's up. But why is this happening? COVID-19, aka the coronavirus. This has slowed down economic growth by the masses. We have 17, 18 million people quarantined in China, slowing down the supply and demand factors of China being one of the biggest producers in imported to exported goods. This is really, really affecting the globe, the whole entire world as a whole, and everyone's getting hit by this. This is even affecting imported and exported goods from America, and this is not talking about the U.S.-China trade war. This is talking about just the COVID-19 virus. See, this is really important, and I want to question one more question. Throw this out in the air. Do you think the prices are too high right now? I made a video talking about this yesterday, talking about if you think prices are too high and there has to be a correction, because that is healthy for markets. You know, once upon a time, silver went up to $50 extremely fast, but then it crashed extremely fast. If it would have gradually built some support, if it would have gradually went up to $50, it probably would have stayed up there. But since it happened so fast, it didn't have time to really build some stability, build some fundamental, some foundational value underneath of it. So if silver can do that, if it can slowly approach upwards like it's doing right now, short little rallies with a small correction, another rally with a small correction, and it's gradually just going upwards in a staggered upward, you know, direction, then we can be talking about $50 silver for good, and we're not going to ever see $19 silver again. That will be like when that will be the same equivalence of talking about $5 silver. You're like, man, silver was $5 once upon a time? Yeah, it was, and actually not too long ago. And that's really what's going to happen. People are going to get desensitized to these prices. They will get desensitized to the prices. They will accept these prices, and that will be the new normal. $50 silver will be the new normal. I can picture it. Can you picture it? I definitely can. Maybe because I have a history of seeing Bitcoin skyrocket up to $17,000, so it's kind of fresh to me still because that only happened about a year ago. So, you know, when I'm talking about this, people still will be buying it as well. Industrial demand has to keep going on. Silver is used in so many different things. One of the most, you know, usable assets in technology. And the industrial side is going to keep buying $50 silver like it's nothing. And it really is nothing to them, because if you want the newest iPhone to come out, you best guarantee they need that silver in there. So it's not like we're not gonna buy silver because it's too expensive. No, that's not true. There's companies are still gonna buy it. Corporations, you and I will still buy it as well. After we accept these prices, we're gonna expect it to keep going higher, and that's when prices are still gonna be being bought up. I can guarantee that. So where do you think these prices are? Where do you think these prices are headed? Do you think we're going to see $20 silver or $17 silver next? That's a really good question to ask, because higher highs and lower lows. So if gold's rocketing right now, skyrocketing, that means silver is going to be rocketing just as much, if not more, within a couple weeks, a couple days, because silver's more volatile, so it hits higher highs and lower lows. So if gold's going higher right now, then silver's going to top that, outperform that, making the gold to silver ratio a little bit lower, probably around the 85 to 1 level, 84 to 1 level, meaning that silver prices are going to go higher. So anyways, I appreciate you guys and gals for tuning into this video. If you did enjoy this video, if you thought it was educational, informational, or just entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, because I do post daily videos. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm curious, I would like to hear your input on that. $20 silver next or $17 silver next? Is the correction going to happen, or is this rally going to keep continuing? Anyways, I appreciate you so much for tuning in this video. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Go enter my giveaway for a chance to win some free silver. This was Silver Slayer. I will see you guys soon. Peace.